Guys, it's me, Miss Ciliano. Today I'm going to be glazing my face. So this is a slab face that was, we made these in class a few weeks ago, and now they have come out of the kiln and we are glazing them. So glaze is different than paint. Glaze is different than paint because it is actually liquid glass. And what happens is this is going to go through my kiln. I'm going to set it up at cone probably 05, which is around 1800 degrees. So it has to fire for about a day and it has to cool down. But what's going to happen is when you're painting with the glaze, it's going to look chalky, but then when it goes through the kiln, the glaze turns into glass. All right, you want to put how many coats? Someone just say it, shout it out.
3.
Yeah, like 3 coats, even 4 coats, okay? You could put 3 to 4 coats. If your table's running out of a certain color, just let me know, all right? Towards the end of class, though, I might just have you buddy up with other tables. Now, as far as mixing your own skin tone goes, some of us have more golden, some of us have more brown, some of us have fair skin, right? We all have different colors. So you can actually use glaze to create the color of your skin. So I think I'm going to make mine have golden, like darker golden skin, kind of like mine. So what I'm going to do first is I think I'm going to put a little bit of pink underneath because we all have something called undertones in our skin. So I'm just going to show you this really quick. All right. Now, for details, you're going to want to use a thinner brush. And if you don't have a thin brush, just go over by the sink area and you can just grab one. So I think what I'm going to do here is my first coat is going to be this pinky kind of color. But then since my skin is darker, I'm going to do a second coat in a moment of the brown on top. And what's going to happen is these are going to mix and fuse in the kiln. So take a look at this. Put a little bit of brown on top. And it's just going to, so you don't want to mix it in here, by the way. I've seen students try to mix it inside their tray, but listen, this tray stays in the center of your table. Everyone has to use it. So if you're mixing colors, you're going to do it directly on your project. Did everyone get that?
Yeah.
Okay, so you can do one color underneath, one on top, and then, hey, the results are always a surprise. I really never know how it's going to come out. I'm also going to put a little bit of yellow in there. All right, because I also have some gold in my skin tone. So you can kind of get the gist of how it might come out. It's really a surprise. I don't know how it's going to come out, but we'll see. All right, now my hair, I'm going to do my hair yellow, because why not? I don't really have yellow hair. I'm just making mine yellow. Yes, Rain?
You accidentally covered your mouth.
Oh, that's okay, because I'm going to go back over it. All right? I am. I'm going to go over it. So if you have little holes, you see these little holes that are over on the top up here? You want to actually sponge your brush and get inside of those holes, okay? You don't want to leave them because if you leave them white, what's going to happen is they're still going to be stone colored when they come out. They're not going to be shiny and cool like you want them. Instead, they're just going to be stone colored, all right? So you want to make sure you get that as well. And I'm going through. I cannot wait till this comes out of the kiln. Gonna look so good. Now remember I was telling you you're gonna need some skinny brushes too. Well, that's coming in a moment. I'm just doing my first coat. I'm still finishing up. Now since I'm an adult, my coats are heavier to begin with, so I don't have to put as many. I am also doing the rim. I'll show you what the rim is, which is it is just the edge. Now of course you can use your colors however you want to. You don't have to use the same colors as me. I just realized I never did the neck, so I'm gonna do the neck, of course. All right, I'm gonna wash my brush off. I always wash my brush in between colors. You all know that, right?
Yeah.
So let's remember what I did for my skin tone. I did pink first,
Then you did.
and then I did a little bit of the brownie color, and I think I did a little bit of yellow on top. Yep.
That looks like a really good tan.
Yeah, it's like I have a golden tan. You're just going to try to get your own skin color. So if your skin is more fair, you might just stick with a lighter color and might
Skin
just
is like mine.
Yeah, we're similar. You're right. We're pretty olive. Yeah, you are too. We have a lot of olive skin. Yeah, we have all different colors in this class. Guys, your colors are beautiful. Oh yeah? All right. So I'm going back over my hair. I'm doing another coat. All right, I think the next thing I'm going to do is my glasses. I'm going to use a thinner brush for this. I'm going to try Who is? Oh, Miss Morris. You want to open the door for her? Hi, Miss Morris.
This goes to Miss Frank. And Miss Frank's not in her room.
Oh, okay. Is he with me? Okay. Come sit with us. All right. Come sit down, Mr. Xavier. I'm taking a video right now. We're just learning how to glaze our projects from a few weeks ago. So you see, I made a little drop on the head. Guess what I could do? I can use my napkin and I could blot it off. So if you have a little accident like I did, it's no big deal. All right. Now I don't have a white here for the eyes, so what I'm going to do is just use the closest thing I have, which would be this pink. Make sure you're watching the screen and make sure that you're seeing what's happening, because you guys all need to know how to do this in a little bit. Did you all see? So what I'm doing is I'm going over it, but now I'm going to do another color. I'm going to give myself blue eyes.
I want to give myself blue eyes.
Yeah, sure, if you want to. Or try to make it look like you. I don't have blue eyes. I'm just pretending I'm one of you guys.
Are you kidding?
All right. So do you guys see how I have black here? So, are you guys still focused? I hope so. Take a look, guys. So a cool thing to do is to use a thin brush and black. Do you see what I'm saying, what I'm doing?
Yeah.
This will make it look cartoony. This is a fun thing to do.
Yeah, that looks like you're Alice Space Girl.
Yeah, a little bit.
And you're trying to fight aliens away.
I drew myself as a second grader. I actually used to wear glasses when I was younger. So I'm a lot like you guys.
Why not you wear glasses anymore?
I don't have to anymore. I actually had the LASIK surgery a few years ago, so I don't have to wear.
My mom.
Yeah, I don't have to wear glasses anymore. It's kind of cool.
My mom had this here.
What do you guys think so far? It's looking good, right?
Good. Let's start the car.
Now, let me think. I think I gotta do a little bit more on my glasses. So,
Contacts?
I don't have to wear them anymore. Pretty cool, right?
But did you wear contacts?
I did. I used to wear contacts when I was younger.
Did someone, when you were running, did one of your contacts fall out?
That never happened to me. All right, guys.
Does
So-
it hurt when you put them in?
Nah, not at all.
I don't want.
So do you see where I'm putting my black line?
Sometimes I see people with contacts that like to make their eye collar for their Halloween costume.
One time
Somebody had red eyes one time. Like red.
All right, guys. So I'm at the end here. Let's pull back in and focus. I think I just want to add some decoration to my shirt. Can you do this? Can you go back in and add?
Yeah.
You sure can. All right. Do you think there's anything else I should do?
No. I think she looks good.
I think so too. I can go into my background and add more. I just want to let you know that too. So my background is green.
Brush for details.
Oh, can I show you one more thing?
Yeah.
So remember I've been talking about the rim or the edge. So you see when I hold it like this, you see how I've missed this part here?
Yeah.
This is a chance now for me to go back and get that part. I want to get my edge because here's why. You ready? People are going to see the edge. So people will see the edge and they're going to say, well, why didn't she glaze that, right? So it's going to make your picture look complete. So make sure you do your edge, all right? But do you do underneath? No, please don't don't do underneath because it will stick to my kiln, all right? I don't want that. All right, are we ready? Are we ready to all get started? Let me go ahead. I'm going to sign off on my video. On the count of 3, we'll say goodbye. Ready? 1, 2, 3.
Goodbye.